Gautam, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
All right, you got any assignments?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you completed it?
Sir, the message came few minutes ago. Sir, I can do it after class.
All right, all right. Okay. We are waiting for a few more minutes, all right, for the students to come. It's okay, Ashma. Can you hear me? Did you watch last class lectures videos? All right, then. We are starting in a few minutes. All right. Guys, solve this question first. Let's start with the question 12p3. All right. Solve this and tell me the answer. Okay, Gautam and Ashma. Hello, Abdul. We have started with this question 12p3. Please try to solve this and share your answers. All right, how to solve this? This we can write 12 factorial upon 12 minus 3 factorial. So this is 12 factorial upon 9 factorial, and this is equals to 12 factorial, sorry, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial upon 9 factorial. This is cancelled. So 12 into 11 into 10. And this is 108. Sorry. This is 132 into 10. So this is 320. All right, Ashma, Abdul, is this clear? All right. Let's try another question. Calculate the value of this. 7p4 upon 7p3 and share your answers in the chat. Ashma, Abdul, solve this. You send me the answer, Ashma. See how to solve this. This is 7 factorial upon 7 minus 4 factorial whole divided by 7 factorial upon 7 minus 3 factorial. So this is this, I can cancel this out. This will go upwards. So this is 7 minus 3 factorial upon 7 minus 4 factorial. So this is equals to 4 factorial upon 3 factorial. So this is 3, 4. Gautam, how did you have 3.05?
Sir, I didn't cut the 7.
Okay. And where did this 7 go? Is it clear now, Gautam?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, then let's start. NCR. All right. We studied about NPR. This is NCR. This P stands for permutations. This C stands for combination. All right. The formula for this is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Write it down. N factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. So if I have 5c3, 5c3, this is 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. All right. So this is 5 factorial upon 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Write it down. All right, Gautam, clear? NCR
sir.
is n factorial upon n minus r factorial r factorial. So solve this. 10C8. Okay, try to solve this and tell me the answer. All right, Ashma Abdul, you too. Send the answers on chat. Well, let's see. So this is 10 factorial upon 10 minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial. So this is 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 8 factorial. I can write 10 factors 10 into 9 into 8 factorial upon 2 factorial into 8 factorial. So this is cancelled. 10 into 9 is 90 upon 2 is 45. Yes. Ashma, absolutely right. Gautam, is it clear?
Sir, we can divide 90 by 2 directly, like in the factorial sign.
Yeah, see, because I know the value of 2 factorial, right? You cannot divide directly, but as I know the value of 2 factorial as 2, I can cancel. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't mark that like this. Like, don't do this. All right. You should be writing the value of 2 factorial as 2. All right. Let's try another question. 9C6 upon 9C5. Solve this and tell me the answer. Solve this, Ashma, Abdul, Gautam. $1.5. All right. Ashma? All right. I'll give you 1 more minute. All right. Try to solve that. All right. Let's see what the answer is. So this I can write 9 factorial upon 9 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial upon 9 factorial upon 9 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. So this 9 factorial and factorial is cancelled. This will go in the numerator. 9 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial upon 9 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. So this is 6 factorial into 5 factorial upon 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So everything is cancelled. Answer is 1. Gautam, how did you get 1.5? What did you miss?
So some calculation mistake.
All right. And Ashma, what about you? What did you do wrong? Okay. Okay. So this is the things that we need to know before starting the chapter. All right. This is the basic calculation that we need to know. Now write down. Now we are starting the chapter. Write down fundamental principle of addition. The fundamental principle of addition. See, as it says, fundamental principle. That means this we already know. All right. We have done many calculations since our childhood. We have counted many ways. So this chapter we already know how to count. We are just trying to formulate this. All right. Standardize this. So what fundamental principle of addition is? Gautam, you need to answer this. If you have to go from city A to city B, all right, and you have three options. Either you take bus, or car or train? How many ways can you travel from A to B?
Sir, 3 ways, sir.
3. How did you know 3?
Sir, because 3 possibilities are there.
3 possibilities. So either you can take bus, so this is one way, or you can take car, this is another way, or you can take train, this is the third way. So why did you add them? Why not multiply them? 1 into 1 into 1. You added them, right? Either I can go like this or this or this. So you added 1 plus 1 plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you cannot define why you added, right? You just know it that you need to add. You can multiply this. You can go either from this or this or this. So write it down. Whenever you say either this or this or this or, whenever you use or, you need to add them. Add the processes. I'll explain what this means. Just write it now. All right. In Hindi, you know that या ये या ये या ये, या बस से जाएंगे या कार से जाएंगे या ट्रेन से जाएंगे. Either bus or car or train. You need to add the number of ways. All right. Write it down. Fundamental law, fundamental principle of multiplication.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Yes. Write it down. Tell me when you're done.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now, Gautam, suppose you went from A to B. Now you are planning to go to another city, C. All right. From here, you had 3 ways: car, bus, or train. Same for this. You can take either car, bus, or train. Can you tell me in how many ways can you reach from A to C? From A to C, how many ways?
Sir, 6.
6. So how did you calculate 6?
Sir, multiply into 2.
3 into 2. All right. Ashma, can you answer? How many ways can you reach from A to C? You can unmute if you can, or send me the answer in the chat. In how many ways can you reach from A to C? Gautam is saying 1. Ashma, I did not hear you if you unmuted. All right, you can unmute and answer. All right, all right. You can send the answers here, Ashma. Gautam, how is it the answer 1? It's 3. How is it 3? Ashma is saying 12. Yes, Gautam, explain.
Sir, you can go from A to C through 3 ways. Like you can take a car or bus and
Hear me?
Yes, Ashma, I can hear you. Ashma, can you explain how you got 12?
So from 8,
There is a lot of disturbance, Ashma. I can hear you, but
so from A to B there are 3 options, and then from B to C there are 3 options. So A to B first option, then we could use the second B to C option, and then like that.
okay. So how did you get 12? Like, what did you do? This is 3, this is 3. That's all right. And now, what to do? Okay. See, divide this step by step. From A to B, you all know there is 3 steps. From B to C, 3 steps. 3 ways. All right. Suppose I take car. All right. Gautam, Ashma, Abdul. Suppose I take car from A to B. Now, in how many ways can I go from B to C? Gautam, in how many ways can I go from B to C?
So by possibilities you meant routes or vehicles?
No, there are 3 vehicles only. The route is
Oh,
only
okay.
one. Yeah.
No, I gave my answer according to routes.
All right, all right. No. There are only 3 vehicles. All right. We are not checking the routes now. Just the vehicles. All right. Okay, Ashma. So can you say, if I say I took a car from A to B, now how many ways from B to C?
So 3.
3. So if you take car, there are 3 ways from B to C. If you take train, there are 3 ways from B to C. If you take a bus, then there are 3 ways from B to C. That means for each travel from A to B, you have 3 options for B to C, right? So the total ways will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 9. Is it clear? Gautam, Ashma, Abdul?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
All right. Gautam?
yes, sir.
Okay. Or what you could do was, 3 ways from A to B, 3 ways from B to C. Now, listen to this very carefully. You have to go from A to B and from B to C, right? To fulfill the goal, right? What was the task? To reach from A to C. So you have to go from A to B and from B to C. So whenever you use and, right? ये भी करना पड़ेगा और ये भी करना पड़ेगा. ये करने के 3 तरीके, ये करने के 3 तरीके, right? You have to travel from A to B and from B to C. So you have to multiply this. 3 into 3 is 9. Is it clear?
Sir, we can go from A to B. We have 1 route and 3 vehicles. So if you take train, how's the 3 possibilities?
See, there are 3 possibilities from A to B, right? You can take either train or bus or whatever the third vehicle was, car, right? See, when I'm saying ways, I'm not saying about the route. I'm talking about the possibility. You getting my point? The way meaning is not the route way, but how to, like, किस तरीके से, कितने तरीके से. All right, Gautam. Gautam, is it clear?
Sir, if you take car, you can only go to the car in one way. If it's taking three possibilities when we add all the vehicles.
Yes, right. And
So how will it be like if you take one vehicle, there are three possibilities. If you take all of them,
no,
only
no,
you
no,
can
no,
get.
no. No, no. See, we are just talking about the possibilities. We are not actually traveling. See, if you take a car and a bus from A to B and C, obviously you just travel from one way. All right. But suppose you are just planning the trip, right? And you are thinking about how can I travel? Then you can take C. Let me just elaborate it. Like this is A, B, C. This is a very long table from A to B and B to C. You took car from here, you took train from here, you took car from here, bus from here, car from here, and car from here. All right. Again, you took bus, train, bus, car, bus, bus, train, bus, train, car, train, train. If you take a car and a train, this is one possibility. If you take a car and a bus, this is another possibility. This is third possibility. Like this, you have 9 possibilities. Is it clear, Gautam, now?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yeah, I'm not talking about the route. Whenever I use way, that means tarika. All right, in this whole chapter, if I ask you number of ways, that means how many tarikes. All right, tarikas, tarike. All right. Okay. Ashma, Abdul, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So whenever you use and, then multiply. You understand this, right? Whenever you have to do this and this to complete the whole task, then you have to multiply the individual number of ways. Okay, ये भी करना पड़ेगा और ये भी करना पड़ेगा और ये भी करना पड़ेगा. That means this into this into this. Write it down. This example also, if you want. Tell me when you are done. All right. And also, this applies here also. I can take this or this or this or this or this or this like 9 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 9 times is 9. That is why this is fundamental principle. That means you cannot calculate anything without these two principles. All right. Write down arrangements. All right. Or permutations. If you have two letters A and B, how many are there to arrange them? I can write A and B or B and A, right? So there are two possibilities. I can write either this or this. So one way to write this, one way to write this, one or one, that means total is 2. I can write this or this, that means total 2 ways. Is it clear, Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashma, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In arrangement, order matters. All right. In arrangement, order matters. Who comes after who is very important here. If A is before B, then this is another thing. If B is before A, this is completely different thing. Order matters. Now, if I ask you, you have 3 letters A, B, and C. In how many ways can you arrange them? Think about this and tell me the answer. All right. I'll give you 2 minutes. Think about this. In how many ways can you arrange? Write it all down if you have to, but I want the answer. All right. Write down all the arrangements. If you can think any other way, I need the answer.
Sir, what do you mean by order matters?
Order matters means if I write A and B and B and A, this is a different order, right? A after B, oh sorry, B after A, and here A after B. So this will count as different, this will count as different. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What this means is A, B, C and B, A, C are two different things. Or if you have to write down the definition, you can write, if you change the sequence or order of things, then it changes. All right. 6 ways. Ashma, have you solved this?
I'm solving, sir.
All right. Okay, Ashma. Do you have the answers? See, you can write ABC or you can write ACB. You can write BAC or you can write CAB or CBA. What is left? BAC or BCA? Okay, so there are 6 ways. Gautam, how did you calculate it?
Same way, sir.
Same way. All right. So this was this troublesome or not?
No, sir. Little bit thinking on.
Yeah. Suppose I gave you A, B, C, D, and I ask how many ways. Right, Ashma? Absolutely right. You got 5: ABC, ACB, BAC, BCAC, BAC, AB. You wrote 6, right? Right. See, you got only 5. Why this happens? Because this is very lengthy. If you have this much problem in 3, what if I write 4 or 5? This will take forever. That is why we are studying this chapter. All right, write down something called box method. Box method. Where 2 letters A, B, C. They have asked you to form words, right? Using 3 letters. So you have to fill 3 boxes with these letters. Is it right, Gautam? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
You have to make a word of 3 letters. That means there are 3 spaces or boxes, whatever you call it. Here I can fill either A or B or C, right? I can put either A or B or C. That means total 3 ways. Because fundamental principle of counting, addition, either A or B or C, or, that means 3 ways. Or I can fill this with 3 letters. Is it clear, Ashma? Yes. Now, after filling this with 1 letter, how many letters are left? 2. So I can fill this with 2 letters. After filling this also, I am left with 1 letter. So to get a word, which was our goal, I have to put this and this and this. 3 ways to fill this, 2 ways to do this, 1 way to do this. And I have to fulfill this and this and this. That means 3 into 2 into 1. 6. Is this step clear? Gautam, Ashma, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashma, I could not hear you. Is it clear?
Can you hear me?
All right, clear. So now if I tell you A, B, C, and D, Gautam, can you take me through the answer? Step by step, tell me how to solve.
Sir, we'll draw 4 boxes and write ABCD and calculate the possibilities.
So what should I write here? See, 4 ways to fill this one, this box. That
Sir,
means,
4, then 3, then 2, 1.
right. And I have to multiply this, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 24. Clear? Now let's start with the question. Write down. Find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning, which can be formed out of the letters of the word rose. First part is when the repetition of the letters are not allowed. Second is the repetitions are allowed. All right, repetitions means you cannot form a word R, 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 like this. In the first part, right? Repetitions are not allowed. In the second part, you can form a letter or word using one letter only. All right. Please try to solve this using this box method. You have to draw 4 boxes. All right. Try to solve this and give me your answers. Right. So how to solve this? First part, I can fill this with 4 ways. No, Asma. Let's discuss. All right. If it's right or not. This is 4 ways. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1. So 4. This is 24. In the second part, I can fill this with 4 options. In here, because I can repeat the letter, that means I can fill this with 4 ways. This is also 4. This is also 4. Right? Because I can put R, O, S, E, any one of them here. Again here, again here, again here. So 4 raised to the power 4 is 256. So Ashma, your answer is absolutely right. Gautam, yours too. Abdul is not answering. All right. So this, you are absolutely clear, Gautam, Ashma, Abdul. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So another question. The flag of a newly formed forum is in the form of 3 boxes, like is to be colored differently. If there are 6 different colors on the whole to choose from, how many ways such designs are possible?
Sir, it is in the form of 3.
Boxes. Like this. All right. This is a flag. 3 boxes are there. We have to fill these 3 boxes with different colors. If there are 6 different colors on the whole to choose, how many ways such design are possible? All right. See, in this chapter, the simple questions are asked like this. What this is simply saying is there are 3 boxes and six colors. In how many ways can you fill this? Okay, Ashma, you are getting 120. We'll discuss this. All right. Let's give Gautam a few minutes to solve and Abdul too. Yes, Ashma. The colors aren't meant to be repeated. Okay. So you can choose any of the 6 to fulfill this box, right? If you fill this with any of the colors, then 5 are left. Here 4 are left. So 6 into 5 into 4, that is 120. So absolutely right. This is very easy. Next question. And I'm sorry for the jukam, but what can you do? Flu seasons. In a monthly test, the teacher decides that 3 that there will be 3 questions. One from each exercise. 7, 8, and 9. If there are 12 questions in exercise 7, 18 in exercise 8, 9 in exercise 9, in how many ways can 3 questions can be selected? All right, solve this and tell me the answer. Gautam, solve this. See, we have to choose 3 questions. That means boxes.
Sir, it
This
is 1944.
absolutely right. So 12 ways to choose this, 18 to choose this, and what is here 9. Okay, you can multiply and find the answer. Next question. How many ways how many 3-digit numbers can be formed without using the digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed without using the digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? If they don't say anything about repetition or odd repetition, then you can repeat the number. Alright. If it is not mentioned at all, then the numbers can be repeated. Yes, Ashma, it can be arranged in any way because they are saying 3-digit numbers, right? It can be 111, it can be 11, what is left, 7, or 7111, right? In any way you can arrange. All right, let's see. So you cannot use the number 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means you can use 1, 7, 8, and 9. We have to make 3-digit numbers. This can be filled in 4 ways. This can be in 2. This is 3. So 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 4. Sorry, 24. All right. Very easy. Next question. How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 such that every digit is either 2 or 9? All right, try to solve this, then tell me the answer.
Sir, it is 100 and 1000 such that in every
That every digit is either 2 or 9. solve this? Ashma, Gautam? Gautam, have you solved this? Okay, see. See, 100 to 1000. That means we want 3-digit numbers, right? From 101 to 999. This can either be 2 or 9. This is 2 or 9, 2 or 9. So two ways to fill this, two ways to fill this, two ways to fill this. So total answer is 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Clear, Gautam?
Sir, can you explain one more?
Yes. Because they have asked numbers between 100 to 1000. That means we want only 3-digit numbers, right? All the numbers from 100 to 1000 are 3-digit. So I make 3 boxes. Now they are saying this can either be 2 or 9, right? So you can fill 2 here or 9. So there are 2 ways to fill this box, 2 ways to fill this box, 2 ways to fill this box. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Clear?
Sir, how it is only 2 ways to fill the box?
Because they are saying every digit is either 2 or 9, right? So take any number, they are saying from 100 to 1000, and all the digits from that number can only be 2 or 9. That means if you take a number 1 2 2, so this is 2, this is 2, this is not 9 or 2, so this cannot be chosen. You only can choose numbers that have digits either 2 or 9. So 2 to 9, 2 to 2, 9 to 2, like this. So first box can be filled in 2 ways. You can fill 2 or 9. Same way, second box can be filled either 2 or 9. This also 2 or 9. So 2 ways to fill the first box, 2 ways to fill the second box, 2 ways to fill the third box. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashma, Abdul? All right, next question. How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 such that 7 is in the units place? All right, try to solve this. They are saying how many numbers between 100 and 1000 such that 7 is in the units place. Try to solve. Gautam, Ashma, solve this. Gautam, have you solved this? No. See, how many numbers between 100 and 1000? That means also 3-digit numbers. Yes, Ashma. So send me the answer. All right, here they are saying 7 should be in the units place. That means this place is filled with 7. Now here you can fill any number. Start from here. Here you cannot fill 0 because if you put 0 in here, that means this will become a two-digit number. So you can only fill 1 to 9. That means 9 numbers. So 9 ways to fill first number, first box. 8 ways or 9. Gautam, what will the answer? 8 or 9 here in the second box.
Sir, 9.
9. Right, because numbers can be repeated. And this place is taken by 7, so only one way. So 9 minus 81. All right. How is it 90? Ashma, how did you solve? I cannot hear you, Ashma. See. All right, all right. Okay. So next question. How many numbers between 3000 and 4000 can be formed from the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8? No digit being repeated. In any number. All right. Try to solve this. Send me your answer. Ashma, solve this. Okay, let's see. Solving. All right, I'll give you one more minute. Okay, see. The number has to be between 3000 to 4000. That means 3001 to 3999. So let's try 4-digit box. This can only be filled by 3, right? Only one way. Because as soon as you fill 4, 5, 6, 7, that means the number is greater than 4000. So only 3 can be filled here. In here you can fill anything. That means 4 way. Here 3 ways. Oh sorry, 8 is also there. So if you took 3, that means 5 ways. This is 5 ways. This is 4 ways. This is 3 ways. This is only one way. 20 into 3, 60. Gautam, how did you have 360?
Sir, instead of 1, I put 6.
6, right? If you fill 4, 5, 6, 7 here, this number will be greater than 4000.